Welcome to our channel. Today, we're showcasing a compact 18x21 feet house plan, perfect for couples or small families. Overview. This layout features one bedroom, one bathroom, and a cozy living area, making efficient use of every inch. The open design offers a comfortable, functional space. Living space. The living and dining areas are perfect for relaxation and daily meals, blending seamlessly into the home's layout. Kitchen. The small kitchen is designed for convenience, with all the essentials you need. If you love compact, modern living, like and subscribe for more house plans. Thanks for watching.